Imagine walking a long road, believing that every step will lead you somewhere beautiful, only to find locked doors waiting at every turn. You knock, you wait, you hope, but all you hear is silence. This is the story of Kenji, a young man from Kyoto who one day discovered that closed doors are not rejections. They are gentle redirections from life. Kenji had always dreamed of being an architect. He wanted to design buildings that touch the sky. Beautiful, strong, full of purpose. After graduation, he applied to many firms. He worked on his portfolio till midnight every day. But one by one, the emails came. "We're sorry, but we've chosen another candidate." At first he smiled and said, "It's okay." After the 5th rejection, he forced himself to stay positive. But by the 10th, he stopped checking his inbox. He began to avoid his friends, ashamed of his failures. One evening, sitting by the Kamo River, he watched the sunset dissolve in the water. His dreams felt as distant as the fading light. An old monk passing by stopped near him and said softly, "You look like someone searching for something you already have." Kenji looked up, surprised. "I've lost everything I worked for. Every door I knock on stays closed." The monk smiled gently. "Then perhaps you are knocking on the wrong doors." Kenji frowned. "But I worked so hard. I gave everything I had." The monk sat beside him and pointed at the river. "Do you see the water, my son? It never fights the rock. It simply flows around it and still reaches the ocean." Kenji listened quietly. The monk continued, "Closed doors are not there to stop you. They are there to turn you, to guide you toward where you are meant to flow." Then the monk picked up a small seed from the ground and placed it on Kenji's palm. This seed cannot complain that the earth is too heavy on it. It must stay buried in the dark until it learns to grow from within. The darkness is not rejection, it is preparation. Those words sank deep into Kenji's heart. He returned home and stopped chasing companies. Instead, he began designing small, simple homes for his neighbors. For old people, single mothers, street vendors. Every wall he drew now had meaning. Every home had a story. Months passed, and one day a journalist discovered his work. His story spread across Japan. Soon, the same firms that once rejected him began to call. But Kenji smiled and politely declined. He had already found his path, not in tall buildings, but in meaningful ones. Years later, when people asked him the secret of his success, he simply said, "The doors that closed on me were not my enemies. They were my teachers." Because when life closes one path, it whispers, "There's a better one waiting." So if life is closing doors on you right now, don't lose heart. Sometimes you're not being rejected. You're being redirected. Like the river, flow around the rocks. Like the seed, grow in silence. Your time will come, and when it does, you'll realize. Every closed door was a gift in disguise. If you felt something in your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, sometimes life's no is simply the universe's way of saying, "Not this door, my child. The right one is just ahead." See you in the next story with new thoughts and new lessons. Until then, stay calm and stay peaceful.